Let's dive into this week's top stories. Norton Healthcare is notifying 2.5 million people potentially affected by a ransomware attack. The breach happened in May and exposed a wide array of sensitive information about patients, employees, and employee dependents. According to Norton's website, impacted files may have contained names, contact information, birth dates, social security numbers, health information, insurance information, driver's license numbers, and digital signatures. The attack led to delays in network-related actions and longer wait times. Norton began sending letters in the mail on December 8th about that breach. It's offering complimentary credit monitoring and identity protection services for 24 months. Since restoring its backup systems on May 10th, Norton says it has not detected any indicators of compromise. The healthcare system stated they did not pay ransom after the incident. New privacy concerns after a congressional investigation finds the nation's largest pharmacies release medical records to police without warrants. Now, Congress wants HIPAA regulations revised to better protect medical records. An investigation by Congress revealed CVS, Kroger, and Rite Aid don't require staff to contact a lawyer before handing over medical documents to law enforcement. 5 other pharmacies, including Amazon, Cigna, OptumRx, Walmart, and Walgreens, all require a legal professional to review law enforcement demands before releasing medical documents. Congress began investigating record sharing after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, and states began banning abortion. States often share records, and there's concern law enforcement could seek pharmacy records to determine if someone received reproductive care in a different state. Lawmakers wrote a letter to the Secretary of the Department of Health and Human Services documenting their findings and urging HHS to make revisions to HIPAA regulations. Amazon is the only company that notifies customers if law enforcement has demanded their records. What is a brute force attack? A brute force attack is a technique hackers use to gain unauthorized access to systems or data repositories. Now, in this method, the attackers try every possible combination of passwords or encryption keys until they find the correct one. This is an automated process where cybercriminals take advantage of weaknesses in login pages, databases, or encryption systems. It can be resource intensive and time consuming, especially if the passwords or keys are long and complex. However, it can be effective if the attacker has enough time, computing power, and persistence. And finally, do epidemiologists need to be HIPAA compliant? Epidemiologists must comply with HIPAA regulations. Their role in public health research requires handling sensitive health information and mandates a strong commitment to safeguarding patient privacy. More in the link below.